Does schizophrenia affect intelligence or IQ scores? Imagine a puzzle where some pieces are missing or don't quite fit. That's similar to how schizophrenia can influence thinking skills and intelligence. But is it true that it lowers IQ scores for everyone? Not exactly. Research shows that people with schizophrenia often score lower on intelligence tests compared to the general population. But this isn't because of the disorder alone. Many factors come into play, like cognitive impairments that affect memory, attention, and problem solving. These issues can make IQ scores appear lower, especially if tested after symptoms start. Before symptoms appear, some individuals who later develop schizophrenia tend to have slightly below average IQ scores. This suggests there might be some early cognitive differences even before the illness begins. After the onset of symptoms, IQ scores can decline further in some cases. But this isn't true for everyone. The degree of change varies widely from person to person. Brain scans of people with schizophrenia often show reductions in gray matter volume and cortical thickness, especially in areas like the frontal, temporal, and parietal lobes. These brain changes are linked to declines in cognitive functions, which can influence IQ scores over time. Interestingly, not all individuals with schizophrenia have lower IQs. Some have average or even above average intelligence. These individuals tend to have fewer negative symptoms, like social withdrawal or lack of motivation, and often function better overall. Some researchers talk about a high IQ schizophrenia type, sometimes called superphrenia, which shows less cognitive decline and different symptom patterns. Even in these cases, social understanding skills like theory of mind, the ability to guess what others are thinking or feeling, can still be impaired. So, high IQ doesn't mean all cognitive abilities are intact. Medications used to treat schizophrenia can help improve some thinking skills, but they don't usually raise IQ scores significantly. Cognitive impairments are a core part of the disorder and often impact daily life more than the visible symptoms like hallucinations or delusions. In summary, schizophrenia can affect intelligence and IQ scores by causing cognitive difficulties and sometimes a decline after the illness begins. But it's important to remember that intelligence varies a lot among those with schizophrenia. Some maintain high cognitive abilities despite the disorder. Recognizing this diversity helps in creating better support and treatment plans for each person.